belong to somebody else, and that's on me. Ride around town in the SRT.
What's going on, y'all? We got the muffler delete done. We're gonna hit this auto start. Y'all ready? What's going on? What's going on? It's a beautiful day, y'all. We just got the beast tinted, and oh my God, this thing looks amazing. It brings out the vehicle. Check it out, man. It just makes it look so much more aggressive. Only the back was tinted at first, the back too, and then this was not tinted at all. The front too is amazing. Shout out to my guy. We're gonna put his info down low, but he did amazing. And it's dark on the outside, but you can of course still see out through it from the inside. It's beautiful. But all right, y'all, on to the exhaust shop we go, because I cannot stand this sound anymore. Too quiet for me. A little something just because it's a cold start, you know what I mean? But we need a little deeper, a little raspier. So we're gonna take it to the exhaust shop now. I'll get back to you guys later. All right, y'all, so we are here. Yeah, quick lube. I usually let them do all the work on all my vehicles. You see it going up now. Get something nasty done in this thing, man, because I'm tired of the way it sounds. It's only my third edit. I'm gonna put the flow masters on there. I'm gonna put an X pipe up there too. Gotta get rid of that, man. Gotta get rid of that. Sound to it. You know we're gonna get on it and get in this sound. But the sunroof open right now, so like all the light coming inside.
Oh yeah.
But
yeah, he did your front. So your front windshield 35.
35.
Yeah. It's on
35. Man, always get me right. I ain't gonna lie. You always get me right, bro. Right. You know, we in the SRT. Got the exhaust done and everything, but just what I'm used to, I still feel like it's quiet. So I'm probably gonna get it louder, you know? I don't know when, but right now it's enough to kind of make me feel okay, but I feel like it feels the same from the inside. There's no drone on the inside or anything like that, but I mean, it goes though. I can say that. Get you guys an outside view of it, but you know, from the inside it's really nothing major, nothing special, but you could tell the difference. Kind of more kickback as well. So I ended up getting actually I'll tell you guys about it when we get on the outside of the car. So I did end up getting an X pipe as well as a muffler resonator delete, and I replaced the mufflers with Flowmaster 10s. Sounds really good here. I don't know really how it sounds outside hitting it, but for the most part, to me, you know, it sounds pretty good. We got two things accomplished today. The window tint all the way around. This thing looks vicious, man. exhaust. It does need a wash. I apologize about that. It's only day 2 of owning it. Day 3 of owning it, I'm sorry. And we just got to get this stuff done to it because I can't bear it. Next thing is this chrome delete. That's for another video. But appreciate y'all tuning in. Again, thank y'all for tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, do what you got to do, man.